medyo magkahiwalay. Sige, 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 go. Pagdikit mo yung legs mo. Very good. Ayan ang push na gusto makita ni coach. All the way hanggang doon, okay? All the way. Ayan ang makikita ko ni ha? Ganyang fit. Tapos relax yung upper, di ba? Streamline, relax, okay? Okay, let's go. Come here. Your turn, dito ka. Sige, half tayo ha. Half tayo. Half tayo. Goggles from. Okay? Ayan. Just. Okay. Pag nag-glide na tayo, relax ha. Upper. 1 and 2. Up and relax. Ladder kick. Tuloy-tuloy ha. Nagbabubble siya. 1 and 2 and up. Down. Relax. 1 and 2 and down. Up and down. Okay? Yung ladder kick ha. Nagbabubble yung kick ha. Ready. Set. And go. Up. With pulling tayo. With pulling tayo. Ha? With pulling. Arm pulling tayo. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. Yung kick ha. Yung kick. Kung saan kalimutan. Ready. Kuya ha. Pag nag-mid. 1, 2, and up. Okay? Kung ganun yung ano. Tapos yung ano. Ready. Set. And go. With pulling. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. Flutter kick. 1, 2, and up. Flutter kick. 1, 2, and up. Kick, kick. 1, 2, and up. Alright, good job. Kuya, medyo malalim lang yung ano ha. Medyo malalim yung kick mo. Ito makita ni coach, paano yung kick? Dito, yan. Dapat nagbabay siya, ha? Ganyan sa karelax. Again, ready, set, go. Yan, okay. Show me the relax position. Ready, set, go. Kick, kick. Ready, kick. Yan, ganyan dapat. Flat sa water, ha? Very good. Up and down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ayaw ka na natin. Go. Down. Go. Now, with pulling tayo ha. With pulling tayo. Not tayo sa water. Ready? Relax. Relax. Ready? Set. And hold. Up and down. 1, 2, up and down. Hold. 1, 2, up and down. 1, 2, 3, up and down. Heart kick, go. Good job. 5 bubbles, good. 5 bubbles, go.
Ayun. Okay lang nga.